Ever wondered how to make money quickly on TikTok? Imagine turning your creative videos into a steady income stream. In this video, we're diving into the fastest, most efficient method to earn money on TikTok. Whether you're new to the platform or have some experience, this guide will show you everything you need to know. Stick around till the end because we'll reveal a game-changing tool that can save you tons of time. Ready to unlock your TikTok earning potential? Let's get started. Number 10. Understanding TikTok's Creator Rewards Program. TikTok's Creator Rewards Program is designed to reward creators based on the engagement and views their videos generate. By consistently producing high-quality, engaging content, creators can earn money directly through TikTok. The program incentivizes creators to build a loyal audience and create content that resonates with viewers. Whether you're new to TikTok or a seasoned creator, focusing on creating compelling videos that attract views and interactions is key to earning through this program. Understanding how TikTok evaluates and rewards content can help you strategically plan and optimize your videos for maximum earning potential. Number 9. Setting up your account and targeting eligible countries. Setting up your TikTok account correctly is crucial for reaching a global audience and maximizing your earning potential. TikTok operates in specific countries, so ensure you create your account in an eligible country. If you're not in one of these countries, join my Discord, link in the description, for methods to bypass this restriction using SIM cards or proxies. Once your account is set up with an email or phone number, you're ready to start creating content that can attract viewers worldwide. Proper setup ensures you can leverage TikTok's monetization features effectively from the outset. Number 8. Choosing the right niche. Selecting the right niche is pivotal to your success on TikTok. You have two main strategies: jump on the latest trends or revive old successful niches. Trending niches can bring quick success if you're early, but they come with stiff competition. On the other hand, reviving old niches allows you to stand out with less competition. Research what's currently trending or was trending in the past and tailor it to your unique style. This approach ensures your content is relevant and engaging, increasing your chances of going viral. Choosing the right niche sets the tone for your content and significantly impacts your growth and monetization potential. Number 7. Warming up your account. Warming up your TikTok account is a crucial step many overlook. This process helps TikTok recognize you as a genuine user, not a bot. Start by verifying your account with a phone number and enabling two-factor authentication. Then, engage with content in your chosen niche. Follow, like, comment, and watch videos from other creators in your niche. This activity signals to TikTok that you're interested in specific content, which helps the algorithm push your videos to the right audience. Spend about 20-30 minutes daily engaging with your niche content. Properly warming up your account increases your chances of reaching a relevant and engaged audience, boosting your video's performance. Number 6. Creating consistent content. Consistency is the backbone of success on TikTok. Plan your content ahead and create multiple videos at once to maintain a steady posting schedule. Aim to post 3 videos daily, spaced out by 2-3 hours. This keeps your audience engaged and allows TikTok's algorithm to push your content effectively. Bulk creating content ensures you always have videos ready to post, reducing the pressure of daily content creation. This method helps maintain quality and ensures you stay on track. Remember, consistency not only keeps your current audience engaged, but also attracts new followers, enhancing your growth and monetization potential on TikTok. Number 5. The best times to post. Timing your posts correctly can enhance your reach on TikTok. While the exact time isn't as critical as consistent spacing, it can still make a difference. Posting videos 2-3 hours apart ensures they get proper attention and evaluation by TikTok's algorithm. For optimal results, aim for a 5-6 hour gap between posts. This timing helps your videos gain momentum and reach a broader audience. However, don't stress too much about perfect timing. Focus on maintaining a regular schedule and ensuring your videos are high quality and engaging. Consistent posting, paired with quality content, will drive better results than just focusing on the perfect posting time. Number 4. Avoiding common mistakes. One of the most common mistakes on TikTok is niche hopping, switching niches too frequently. Consistency in your niche is crucial. If your videos aren't performing well, it's likely due to their quality rather than the niche itself. Research successful content in your chosen niche and strive to match or exceed that standard. Stick with your niche and trust the process. Post around 20-25 videos before considering a change. Evaluate and improve the quality of your videos based on what's working well in your niche. Staying committed to one niche helps you build a loyal audience and increases your chances of success on TikTok. Number 3. Using hashtags and captions effectively. Hashtags and captions are essential tools for categorizing your content on TikTok. They help the algorithm understand and push your videos to the right audience. Avoid using generic hashtags like #4upage. Instead, use specific ones related to your niche. This targeted approach ensures your content reaches viewers interested in your topic. Crafting engaging captions also plays a vital role in grabbing attention and encouraging interaction. A well-placed call to action in your caption can boost engagement significantly. By strategically using hashtags and creating compelling captions, you increase the likelihood of your videos being discovered by the right audience, enhancing your growth and monetization opportunities. Number 2. Growing organically. Growing your TikTok account organically requires patience and strategy. If you already have a TikTok account with some followers but are changing niches, it might be better to start fresh. TikTok's algorithm takes time to adjust to a new target audience. A new account can grow faster within your new niche, offering a fresh start without the baggage of previous content. This approach might seem counterintuitive, but it helps the algorithm better understand and categorize your new content, leading to more relevant audience reach. Organic growth builds a loyal follower base genuinely interested in your niche, providing a solid foundation for long-term success. Number 1. Automating your workflow. Automation tools can significantly streamline your TikTok content creation process. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate video ideas, scripts, captions, hashtags, and even analyze trends. This automation saves you hours of work daily, allowing you to focus on creating quality content. Consistency is crucial, and these tools help maintain it without overwhelming you. By using automation, you can ensure a steady flow of content, keep up with trends, and stay organized. This efficiency boosts your productivity and helps you stay competitive in the fast-paced world of TikTok. Leveraging automation is a smart strategy to optimize your workflow and maximize your TikTok earning potential. By following these steps and staying consistent, you can unlock the potential to make significant money on TikTok. From choosing the right niche to engaging with your audience and utilizing automation tools, every step brings you closer to your goal. Remember, success on TikTok is a journey that requires dedication and creativity. Keep pushing forward, and you'll see the results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money on TikTok. Share this video with anyone who might benefit, and stay tuned for more insightful content. See you in the next video.